I've never been in a car seat when I was a kid. We would flop all over the back seat. Nowadays, my kids know the car doesn't move unless the seat belts are on.
People used to be smoking right at the nurse's station. The younger staff is just appalled at the idea.
It's amazing. It's just amazing how times have changed. All babies were typically lined up in a nursery, only brought out to their mothers every 4 hours. We know that breastfeeding has very important medical benefits for both mothers and babies.
When I first came in to be assessed, on the wall there's all the benefits of breastfeeding. She is a day and almost 3 hours old. Right before I delivered, the doctor told everybody in the room that we are going to do skin to skin.
Mothers and babies were meant to be together. Babies remain much calmer when they're with their moms, especially when they're skin to skin.
Sickness and disease cost a lot.
Is anyone saying things are fine the way they are?
We can't afford not to make better choices.
A lot of the options that we have today, they're unhealthy, but they're normal.
On average, food has to travel 1,000 miles to get to your plate.
If you're going to be teaching people how to eat right and live a healthy lifestyle, you also have to provide access to the very food that we're teaching them to eat.
This is 1,800 square feet, which would be equivalent to 2 to 3 acres.
I picked it this morning, and it actually comes out of our hydroponic greenhouse.
Right, you eat it, it's almost like you picked it right out of the field. When you're in an urban area, land becomes much more of an issue. We're trying to find ways, really innovative ways, to grow in small spaces.
We can bring food where they're working or going to school. We can really provide access.
This is how it grows, this is how it gets to the table, this is how you prepare it, and this is how you digest it.
If the community comes together, it can happen. They can play baseball, they can play soccer.
When I was a kid, I came home from school and my mother said, go outside and play. Kids don't have the opportunity to do that anymore.
Parents can't feel comfortable having their kids outside, especially if the neighborhoods are dangerous. What can we do for them?
Let's shape up our streets, our schools, our communities.
We have a fast-paced life. You have to make good choices.
If you can't take care of the inside, you can't take care of the outside.
Trying to hit them from every angle, and eventually, I think it's going to get better.
If you can't pronounce what's on the back of it, you shouldn't eat it.
Kids learn in a different way right now.
Yoga in a school is not a new concept.
We care enough to do one little thing, and one little thing will initiate and spark new ideas.
We don't always have to do the same things that we've been doing.
Can we do other things that could help?
Creating goals that we aspire to and reach.
We can be better, healthier.
There's something good going on here.
New partners can always be on the side of good health.
It has to be easier to be healthy.
We need to make the healthy choice, the easy choice.
It's not something that's going to happen overnight.
Do you want to be healthy? Then you make it happen. There's always a way.
This is it. This is ShapingNJ.